If you're preparing for the West Virginia Electrical Contractor exam and your goal is to pass it on your first try, this video will walk you through exactly how to do that. We'll cover what the exam really tests, the approved reference books you'll be using, common mistakes that cause candidates to fail, and the smartest way to prepare for the exam. This is an open book exam, but passing depends entirely on how well you know your books. Welcome to the One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the West Virginia Electrical Contractor exam, then stay tuned because I will be giving you a special discount code on all West Virginia prep materials towards the end of this short video. A West Virginia electrical contractor is a licensed professional authorized to install, alter, repair, and maintain electrical systems on residential, commercial, and industrial projects throughout the state. This includes work on power distribution, lighting systems, services and feeders, grounding and bonding, motors, controls, and other electrical equipment, all in compliance with the National Electrical Code and applicable state regulations. The West Virginia Electrical Contractor Exam is designed to verify that you can perform electrical work safely and code compliantly, interpret electrical plans and layouts, apply NEC rules to real-world scenarios, and understand contractor-level responsibility. The exam focuses on practical electrical knowledge, not theory memorization. You're going to have 100 questions on this exam, and you will have 3 hours to complete this exam and need a 70% passing score. The exam will be broken up into the following. You'll have communication systems for 3 questions, equipment for general use 6, general electrical knowledge 12, motors and controls 5, plan reading 2, special conditions 4, special equipment 4, special occupancies 2, wiring and protection 17, and wiring methods and materials 20. For experience requirements, West Virginia does not solely rely on passing the exam. Applicants must demonstrate verifiable hands-on electrical experience relevant to the classification they're applying for. This experience is typically gained through work as a journeyman electrician, electrical foreman, or through documented electrical contracting work under a licensed contractor. There are 2 books that drive the majority of the exam questions. Knowing how to navigate them is critical. You've got the National Electrical Code NEC 70, which is the 2020 version, and this is going to be the primary book on the exam. You can expect questions on wiring methods, grounding and bonding, overcurrent protection, services and feeders, motors and equipment, and conductor sizing and opacity. Exam tip: you don't need to memorize the NEC, you need to know where to find answers quickly. Proper tabbing and familiarity with article layout will save you massive time. Next will be the American Electricians Handbook 17th edition. This book supports electrical theory, calculations, equipment operation, and best practices in installation. It is commonly used for voltage drop, load calculations, practical application questions. The exam often combines this book with NEC scenarios to test whether you understand both code and real-world application. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They study content instead of navigation. Your prep should focus on tabbing and highlighting, time practice, learning which book answers which question. If your exam is coming up, practice under time pressure, train your hands to find answers automatically. Here's how successful students approach this exam. Tab and highlight your books properly. If your books aren't organized, you will run out of time. Practice finding answers, not memorizing them. The exam rewards navigation speed. Skip tough questions first. Answer what you know, then come back. Don't second guess yourself. Most wrong answers come from changing correct answers under pressure. And understand the exam format before test day. Knowing what to expect reduces anxiety and boosts confidence. No 2 contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget. Whether you want quick practice or a complete done-for-you solution, here's how to choose the right package. We have the online course, which walks you through every exam topic step by step. You have the book set, which includes the official reference materials approved for the exam. The highlight and tab book set is a game changer. Your books arrive professionally highlighted tabs so you can find answers fast under exam pressure. The book rental. If you want to save money, book rental gives you temporary access to the required exam books without the full purchase price. The ultimate package combines practice questions, online course, highlight and tab books, and the application service into one powerful system. This is our most popular option. The one package is the all-in-one done-for-you solution, includes everything we mentioned before, including setting up your business and full support from start to finish. If you want to remove guesswork and focus on passing, this is it. No matter where you're starting, One Exam Prep has a path that fits you. Choose the package that matches your experience, timeline, and goals. Use code WV10EC at checkout for 10% off any of these packages. If you want to be set up for exam day correctly and train for speed, passing the West Virginia Electrical Contractor exam on your first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practical support, proven system to get through this exam faster, check out One Exam Prep resources below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more contractor videos, and we'll see you in the next one.